Yeah. Well, part of it's gone, not the whole thing.
Oh, look at here, on to the left, to the left, to the left. Look.
Well, everywhere. Yeah, I've seen it. Bird.
Does that take audio too?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what is it? Look at it, looks like columns.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't want to get out of the car, put it that way.
It looks like torches.
Yeah, cutting torches. Yeah, I was here the other day, the day I got... Yeah. I was here the day I got laid off, right before, when I was coming in the morning. And I was up there taking pictures and I got yelled at.
By who?
One of the guys, he's like, you know, because the truck was trying to back out. And I said, oh, I'm sorry. He's like, yeah, that's okay. I just didn't want you to get run over.
You done?
Yeah. He wasn't mad at me. And I think he saw me and he's like, oh, that's an old guy.